That's a beautiful combo. That's a beautiful combo. No cap. Literally after a year. He said line it up real quick.
Get it! He wanted to.
Alright, let's go line it up then.
Let's line it up right now.
Yeah, let's line it up.
Oh.
Put some money on it?
Oh, put some money on it. Ooh.
Maybe.
Ooh, maybe.
Oh, you got interior?
Ooh.
Valid. Valid.
For $20. Golly.
It's on there this time.
Oh, I got a piss so bad right now. What do you think it is?
I hear the nitrous going down there.
Dylan looks so depressed. He looks so depressed. I feel so bad, man. How you feeling?
W. That might have been me.
If he wants.
I see that nitrous.
Huh?
I see that nitrous.
Bro, said hit me. He not putting nitrous on this. You're crazy.
Who have you beat from him? You think you want to give you a good race, or you think you just blow us by?
He raced me. I raced him.
I see that bottle back there.
Huh?
That's not for my car.
That's not his car. That's Dylan's car. Bro, why you in my face?
Who wins between y'all?
I beat him. He ducking.
Wait, let me see.
Shit, fuel pressure.
Stop ducking.
Your fuel pressure ain't at 103.
Yes.
You're full of
He has
shit.
two fuel pressures.
It
Huh?
has
He has
two fuel pumps.
He has two fuel pumps.
4?
2 fuel pumps that are on all the time.
What do you need 2 fuel pumps for?
Because it's on a different gas.
Bro, I swear.
Why are you ducking?
We're running. I'm going to fuck. It's a car versus a truck. It ain't truck.
Excuses. Y'all say I can beat me.
Your shit slow.
I beat him, so you better not lose. I don't want to hear excuses after that.
I'm telling you, bro. I think it's spinning. They didn't like for us to take off the tailgate.
Yeah, I think it's been. Nah, bro.
Bro, that was a fat pop.
It always does that whenever it red lights, bro.
It was smoking?
Yeah.
That's his exhaust.
Nah, I don't think it was.
That's that already does that.
What I missed. Let me see the key. Tell me.
No, 60. 60. He said can't. 50. 50.
You ready?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness gracious. Bro.
Oh, there's another one. Which one? That has been in the slot?
No, that was never good.
This is the one I got in the right gas.
You said it's stock.
Stock. All that shit was for looks, man.
Hell yeah.
The scammer. Hey, they don't know about the RT, the twin turbo RT.
No, Dave said they got a stock one too.
Hey.
We both stock. We gonna find out on the highway. We gonna find out.
Oh, my seatbelt. Oh, I'm tweaking.